Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a business credit card that is available in many different types of industries. This business credit card is a no documentation, meaning you do not have to provide bank statements or tax returns in order to get approved for this particular card. Also, there is no hard credit check. Very easy approval. You can get approved very quickly within 10 minutes or less. They have 0% interest as well for up to 60 days. Once you go past that 60 days, you'll have to pay interest on your balance. But this is an easy approval business credit card that you can get. They work with many different types of industries. Also, I have a brand new on-demand class that you can watch right now if you need to learn how to get more business funding for your business. This shows the 3 secrets to getting 100+ K in as little as 30 days. This also shows proof and case studies from clients that I've helped get over 100K in credit in 30 days. So the link will be down below in the description and the pinned comments. So FlexBase is similar to a lot of the other expense management tracking platforms, but for this one, you have that 0% interest for 60 days. And then after that, you will have to pay interest if you carry a balance, but you can get up to 10 times the credit and keep unlocking more credit over time. You can also add employee cards and keep track of your employee spending. Also, this card is issued by Patriot Bank. They also aren't available in a few states such as California, North Dakota, South Dakota, Vermont, and Nevada. So here's the application. What you're going to do is you're going to create your account. Then you are going to verify your cell phone number. Once you have done that, then you go through the rest of the application process and you'll be able to connect your business bank account to FlexBase to be able to move funds around as well as make payments. And all deposits are insured up to 75 million by the FDIC. Then you can also earn up to 4.4% yield. Also, you get next day liquidity, so next day access to cash and more. So if you would like to sign up for this card, you would just go to flexbase.app to sign up and complete the application. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and receive notifications on when I release new videos.